there's a couple things that I kind of picked up on from the video. The first one, which is most important, is to find the distance between both feet that's going to allow you to do two things. One is being able to come all the way down so that my knee is either very close or tapping the ground, the back knee. And then also, my back leg is not too close to my front, so that when I come up, I'm not forced to rock backwards. So visually, what I mean is if my feet are too close together, I can't get the first part down, which is to be able to get all the way down. My feet are they're too close. So I'm gonna be way forward, and now I've got my knee way out over my toe, and that's not what we're looking for. So I've got to have enough distance so that I can get down to that sort of ideal depth, which is roughly here. Boom. So my knee taps. But then also, I don't want it so far back. When I come up, I'm forced to kind of rock backwards. So what happens when I go back is that I'm kind of bailing out on that lead quad, which I really want to activate and hit hard. So there isn't a right or wrong distance. It's just whatever works for you. The longer your legs, the more distance you're going to need between them. Whatever works that'll allow you to get down to ideal depth and then come up in a straight line instead of back. Then the second thing, which I'm going to demonstrate with the kettlebell, you have a dumbbell, which use the dumbbell instead of the plate, just adjust the weight to whatever works. But I'm going to show it from both the front and the side. And here I'm working the right leg. You can see it from the front. My lead leg is the one that's doing all the work. So I'm going to grab the kettlebell, in your case the dumbbell, with the opposite side hand, thus counterbalance. So from here, I've got the dumbbell, the kettlebell in the opposite side arm. Kettlebell here, all my weight is there. I'm taking that back leg completely out of the mix. And then I'm just going to control it on the way down. I'm going to let that back knee kind of tap. And then from the side, you can get an idea of the distance between my feet and what it looks like at a different angle. Again, I'm going to control it on the way down, and then I'm going to come up in a straight angle instead of rocking back. Control. One more. Straight up. Cool. So just a couple pointers as you go through this. Let's refilm it, get an idea of where you're at, and just kind of keep progressing it. Cool.